Hey y'all, this is my WPL D12 box delivery van. I've been wanting a box van for a while and couldn't really find any good options, so I figured this was the perfect platform to make one on. It's got the balsa wood box. I wanted real wood, just to kind of, I don't know, give it a little weight but still be light. So here's the box, and I have my transmitter inside. But, you know, this was my first build. The doors are magnetic, and they work perfectly. I did have to put some extra leaf springs for the suspension, but yep, I like it. Turned out better than what I thought.